Aloha! I just got back from my 11 days in Hawaii and it was wonderful. So I'm kind of trying to show off my tan a little bit today, and I got my Hawaiian flower in. I have tons of filming to do. I came back to all kinds of packages. So anyway, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I love your support. I would love it if you'd hit the like button, subscribe, do those things that support my channel. Leave me a comment. And let's get to it, okay? So today I am sharing my Ipsy Glam Bag. So it's Glamoween season. My card does say what products are in my bag. I do think it's not really my style. It's a lot of people like this, but it has the bat on it with the red and the kind of baddie looking design. I don't know. It's not bad. It's soft and velvety, so it's not a bad bag. Just not 100% my style, but I do like it. And so let's get in here and see what we got. Okay, friends. So the first thing I have in here, and I actually picked this because when you can get a full-size product in your glam bag, and also I don't turn down eyeshadow palettes. I love them so much. So this was a Last Step eyeshadow palette. I have seen someone use this and it looked pretty good. So I haven't used it yet, but here is the what the palette looks like. Very neutral. It could be Halloweeny. It's got some black in here and some kind of orangish colors. So fall. So I'll probably try a look with this. It's not bad. So that was my first thing and my choice. Okay, so this is a full size and it's valued at $45. So that's a good thing to get in your bag. The next thing I have here, it looks like a full size. It's a really big mascara by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know I love Anastasia. I'm gonna love this mascara, I can tell. I like the brush. This was a deluxe sample. Let's see if it has a value on it. The full version is $26. So anyway, this seems pretty big though for a sample. Okay, the next deluxe sample I have is from Perlice. It's BB. It's a cheek color. So there's that. Let's see what it looks like. It's kind of a light, really light, which I kind of like. For a simple look, you can't really see it on here. It kind of looks like how that, I just opened or just got a Drunk Elephant drops, and it's kind of like that. So it's real light, but it might be a good look for a simple look. My last, this is the only thing, my hand was covered with samples of my last video from boxycharm, and this was the only thing it wouldn't come off, so I know it's a good product when it has the staying power like that. So the next thing I got, deluxe sample, is a highlighter, and this is from Luna Magic. I do kind of like Luna Magic thing. I've seen them before. Oh, I kind of want to swatch it, but I'm not sure I'll keep this. I don't really, I have a lot of highlighters like this. So anyway, this, it looks good. It looks like a good color. I know it has a good glow. So there's that. And the last thing I have in here is another product. It's from Ace Beauty, and it's a product that I like. It's a setting powder. I believe this is a translucent. They call it Effortless Radiance Loose Setting Powder in Fair. So it's kind of a setting powder, translucent. There's that. I go through these a lot because I use translucent powders or setting powders a couple times in my makeup routine. So anyway, so there's that. So here's the bag. I got the translucent powder, the blush, the highlighter, and the mascara, and the eyeshadow palette. So kind of excited about these products. So that was a good bag. I'm really rarely ever disappointed in my bag. I find it usually always has the value in it. So that's that. I have a little bit more time. I'm trying to think how much time I took here. So I think I am going to show you, I got some things from the shop. And in my boxycharm, I showed add-ons. This was something I went back and shopped for. And let's see. I'm into Iconic right now. I just got the Iconic palette in my boxycharm. And I wanted to create more looks with like all Iconic or try to catch up. So I picked up another Iconic palette. And it is this one. Okay, and it has some really fun tones in it. Let's see here. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try this one. This one. Those look a lot the same. Shouldn't have done that. That one. That one. So there's like a green type. Golden yellow, a green, and then this one's, it looks more browny golden, but well, it is now. So it's kind of a brown, got a little bit of green tint to it. So this is a fun palette. Check that out. So I'm excited to play with this too. And I got another thing. I just love bronzers, and I love Iconic. I think their packaging is beautiful. It's got the gold. They come in these heavy duty gold cases, and this is just a bronzer. See if I can open it. It's beautiful. Looks like a good color for me. So I'm excited to play with this. So that was another thing. So I got the eyeshadow, the bronzer. I also picked up from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is another brand. I'm trying to get as much as I can from her. She's my favorite right now. But this is just a brow gel. And I'm excited to try that. So there's that from Anastasia. What else do I have here? Something else. Okay, I guess this is it. This last thing here. This was, I wish I would have had this in Hawaii. So I saw it come up and I decided to order it because I'm not supposed to get a lot of sun, and this was just a fun little sun hat. It's got the, this is what the back looks like. It's got the open top, which I like. It's just basically a shade. So I got that. I think that was $9. And so that's that. So this, and this. Those are some of what I purchased in the shop recently. So there's that. My bag, love it. All right, so tell me what you think in the comments. I appreciate you guys being here, and this I love your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye. Aloha.